Hello family, friends, customers, and followers. This is the final product of the closet. Flooring, skim coating, sanding, priming, painting. There used to be a door here. Chimney was sealed with, I believe it's called lock seal. I put quarter rounds on the corner. Filled in any gaps that needed to be filled in. Get my corner cuts of 35s. I'm going to shave the door down just a little bit, maybe about 3/4 of an inch. Chimney looks good. The ceiling has a texture on it because it's like a cement lock. It's really good. Flooring came out gorgeous, as you can see. Went all the way through the bedroom. Bedroom should be done in about 30 more minutes, but this is the final product of the closet. Unbelievable. Came out just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I want to thank you for watching my video. If you do like my video, you can hit like. You can subscribe on YouTube. I'm on Yelp, Google Plus, of course Facebook. And I want to thank you for watching. If you want a free home estimate, you can call me at 401-696-1650. Thank you for watching, and until the next one.